Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Select the right fish. Sashimi-grade farmed Atlantic has milder pink, wild sockeye shows deeper red pink. Pick firm flesh with a fresh sea scent. Rinse and pat dry, then weigh the water and add a 4% salt and 2% sugar brine. Dissolve in cool water, chill to under 40 degrees F. Brine 1 hour per inch of fillet thickness, up to 6 hours for whole sides. Always rinse briefly and dry before curing, smoking, or cooking to lock in the color and texture. For a classic cure, mix 50 grams salt and 25 grams sugar per kilogram of fish. Apply evenly and cure on a rack in the fridge for 12 to 24 hours depending on thickness. To deepen pink naturally, add 60 to 120 ml beet juice or 1 grated beet to the cure, or use paprika or annatto sparingly for hue while keeping flavor balanced. After curing, rinse, dry to a tacky pellicle. Then cold smoke below 90 degrees F for 2 to 6 hours for color. Control final temperature to keep salmon pink. Sous vide at 115 to 125 degrees F for 30 to 45 minutes yields a uniformly translucent pink interior and silky texture. For stovetop and oven, sear skin side down 2 to 3 minutes to crisp, then transfer to a 275 degrees F oven and pull at an internal 125 degrees F for medium rare. Higher than 130 degrees F moves to opaque and firm. Always rest 3 to 5 minutes, check with an instant-read thermometer, and use glazes or quick broils to add color without overcooking the center.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.